Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to remove the taillights from your S197 Mustang. Now this is our 2008 Mustang. If you have a 2010 and up, it's a little bit different, but if you have an earlier one, this is the way you do it. It's really easy to get to. It's just a few bolts and you just got to be careful. So in order to get your taillight out, you first have to access the nuts behind it. There's 3 nuts and you need to get to it by getting behind the panels back here. Now the problem is in our car, this is already loose. This is what you have to take out. There's some clips on the top here, right here, and one up here that you need to take out. Yours is going to have them here. Ours didn't. It was like this when we got the car, but just know that you have to take this panel out and just be careful and take the clips out correctly and you can get to it. Now that that's out of the way, there's carpet. You can pull the carpet back just a little bit. And then you can see all those nuts, those 3 nuts and the wiring. It's really easy to get to. We have the trunk off of this car, so you can see it even easier. I'm going to show you what they look like. All right, so here is the back. Once you pull this carpet back, you can see it. There's a nut back here, one down here, one up here, and then the wiring is right here. Once you take those nuts out, you can go ahead and pull it back off of the body. Then we can go ahead and attack this wiring. So these nuts are 11 millimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and use an 11 millimeter and take them off. Set them in your pocket or something where you won't lose them. If they fall down, they're just going to fall in the trunk pan, so it's not a huge deal. Now with that off, I normally just push on the studs a little bit to force them through that hole. Once they're off, you can pull it out just a little bit. Now that you know it's loose, we can go ahead and take off this wiring. So before you go ahead and remove that wiring like we're about to show you to do, if you're going to reuse your wiring harness, don't do this step. If your new taillights come with a new wiring harness, then do this step. But if you're going to be reusing the existing harness, you don't need to worry about the step, so totally ignore it and go past it to where we remove the taillight off of it. But see right here, the harness comes right off. All you need to do is take your bulbs out on the back side. This is the passenger side one. So all you need to do is take that out, move them to the new taillight if you're reusing the harness. But if you're not, and the new ones come with a new harness, then we'll show you what to do right now. So here is the wiring harness. What you do is just unplug this right here. Then this is a little rubber grommet. This pushes in. So really all you have to do is work your way around it until it's all in through the hole. Now when you reinstall it, you're going to push it through and pull it until it sits all the way flush in there. But now that that's off, we can go ahead and pull the taillight and feed this back through this hole. Now what I normally do is if I'm reusing my taillights, go ahead, put your nuts back on there so you don't lose them. So there's another easy thing you can do to your car. Don't be intimidated by it. It's just a few screws. When you're reinstalling it, don't over tighten those nuts because it's just going into plastic. You could strip them out. So just go ahead and get them tight, but not over tight. And make sure that that wiring harness, that grommet is all the way in that hole. Otherwise, you might get a little water leaking in there. But as long as you do it all correctly, take your time, everything will be just fine. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow our social media, Instagram at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic, and subscribe to our channel to see more how-tos and all of our shows. And don't forget to check out more merchandise at themidnightmech.com.